Indu4 is the world's best consulting company in forest industries, forest management and biosolutions. We offer high-quality advisory and knowledge services. Our goal is to help our clients to make correct business decisions and increase the value of their assets and operations. We bring benefits and livelihoods to the communities involved. Our scope of work covers the whole value chain from forests to markets. We have expert knowledge of timberland management, pulp and paper industries, solid wood products and bioenergy production. We offer advice in business strategies, investments in industrial assets and forest resources, raw material and feedstock sourcing, and market entry considerations. Our services contribute to sustainable, carbon-neutral, biomass-based economies. We can analyze what is the overall feasibility and expected return of your investment. We make assessment of biomass resources and realistic supply volumes over the time. We advise how the raw materials supply should be organized, and we can advise the best strategy to venture to new markets and connecting with new clients. We serve both private and public clients in industrialized and developing countries. Our solutions are suitable for both greenfield investment plans and ongoing operations. Our services are unique because we cover the whole forest-based value chain. This means raw materials, logistics, technologies, and the markets. We consider economic, social, and environmental points of view. You can trust that all aspects will be covered. Indu4 has global networks and almost 40 years of experience. We have successfully carried out over 900 projects and studies worldwide. Who can say the same?